Hi, I'm Joel from Williams Food Equipment, here today with the Gastrolux pan, your #1 non-stick cookware. Now what this pan is a wonderful squeeze cast cookware, 0.8 centimeters thick. So that means that when this pan gets hot, it stays hot. My surfacing. That surfacing is a biotan surfacing. So that's natural seashells from the North Sea. They've been collected, powdered, vitrified, mixed in with titanium, and then blasted onto the pan by turning that mixture into a plasma. That is going to stay on there. So now let's see what these pans can do. Right now we have these pans on high heat, something that you normally wouldn't do with a non-stick cookware. But because of the titanium and seashell construction, it can take higher heat than most. One of the worst things that you could burn in the home kitchen is milk. So we're going to pour a little bit of milk into the Gastrolux and a little bit of milk into an aluminum frying pan. Already we can see a difference. That perfect heat distribution. With the Gastrolux, I have the cool Bakelite handle, so I don't have to worry about holding on to my pan. What would your reaction be when you see something like that? Probably wouldn't be a terribly positive reaction to see all that milk burning at home. And how would you clean something like that? All I'm going to do to get the milk out is just give it a good rub with a paper towel, and everything comes right out. My aluminum pan, however, that I could rub with a paper towel all day. Nothing is going to come off. And now we're going to shock this pan with ice water. And this pan will definitely not bend, buckle, warp, or twist. This is one of the only pans that actually enjoys being shocked. Now for the aluminum pan. And that's the difference between the Gastrolux cookware and regular cookware. So with the Gastrolux, the Danish-made Gastrolux, you don't have to worry about bending, buckling, warping, or anything like that, because my pan will stay perfectly flat in perpetuity. And with a 20-year prorated warranty, you don't have to worry about pitting or peeling, because you will have a pan for life. So take a look at the Gastrolux complete range, from 20 centimeter skillets to 32 centimeter saucepans, sauté pans, and roasters and woks. Everything that you need in your kitchen is in the Gastrolux. So till next time, happy cooking.